Great job, boys and girls. Just want to go over the subtraction problems with you quickly, and then we will move on with the rest of our lesson. So our first problem that we had, or one of our problems, was 5 minus 2 equals blank. So should have started at 5, and we would have jumped 2 times. 1, 2, 1, 2, and we ended up at 3. So 5 minus 2 equals 3. Great job. And remember, we're moving left or down the number line. Another one of our problems was 7 minus 5. So we started at 7, and then we had to subtract 5. So we're going to jump 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we landed at 2. So 7 minus 5 equals 2. Again, we moved down or left on the number line. Okay. Another one of our problems was 9 minus 4 equals blank. So I'm going to start at 9, and I'm going to jump 4 times to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And our answer is 5. So the difference between 9 minus 4 is 5. Great job. 2 more. Okay. So we have 8 minus 7 equals blank. So we start at 8, and I have to jump to the left 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And my answer is 1. So 8 minus 7 equals 1. And our last subtraction problem we had was 10 minus 6 equals blank. So we're going to start at 10, and we're going to have to jump 6 times to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm going to double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And my answer is 4. Excellent job, boys and girls. We are so proud of how hard you are working and how well you are doing. Keep it up.